Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be looking at a set called Rainfall Dataset from 2019 Slot 2 DILR of CAT paper. So here, this set is often rated as easy in terms of difficulty level, and we'll look at a 5-minute solution for this in the video. So before looking at the solution, please solve this set once all by yourself. Let's begin. Let us read the question. To compare the rainfall data, IMD calculated long period average LPA of rainfall during the period June to August for each of the 16 states. The figure below shows the actual rainfall measured in mm during June to August 2019 and the percentage deviations from LPA of respective states in 2018. Each state along with its actual rainfall is presented in the figure. So let's take for example Maharashtra. Maharashtra has 1000 mm of rainfall in June to August of 2019 and its deviation is 30%. So what is this deviation? This deviation from LPA of Maharashtra in 2018, right? So if this is clear to you, you will be able to solve all the questions. So let us look at questions one by one. If a heavy monsoon state is defined as a state with actual rainfall from June to August 2019 of 900 mm or more, then approximately what percent of heavy monsoon states have a negative deviation from respective LPAs in 2019? So first, let's understand what is heavy monsoon state. Heavy monsoon states are those states where the rainfall is greater than 900 mm. So if you take this line of 900 mm, all the states to the right of this are heavy rainfall states, right? And within this, what they are asking, what percentage of them have a negative deviation from respective LPAs in 2019? So in these, 3 states have negative deviation: Arunachal, Kerala and Meghalaya, and 4 of them have positive deviation. So the total percentage of negative deviation is 3 by 7 into 100, that is 42.86%, right? So this is our answer. Let's move to question 2. If a low monsoon state is defined as a state with actual rainfall from June to August 2019 of 750 mm or less, then what is the median deviation from LPA as defined in the y-axis of the figure of low monsoon states? So first let us understand what these low monsoon states are. So I'll draw a vertical line of 750 mm. So all these states to the left of this are my low monsoon states, and median is the middlemost value. So I'll count how many of these low monsoon states are there, and then I'll find the median. So you can see Gujarat, Karnataka, Rajasthan, MP, then Assam, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Delhi and Manipur. So if you see in total there are 9 of these states, means 5th one is the median. So the 5th one from either top or bottom you can take, that is Assam. So minus 10% is your answer. Minus 10% is the deviation, median deviation from LPA. So that is the answer. C is the answer. Let's move to question 3. What is the average rainfall of all states that have actual rainfall of 600 mm or less in 2019 and have a negative deviation from LPA? So we want all those states which have 600 mm or less rainfall. So we want all of the states on this or to the left of this line and have a negative deviation. So negative deviation again means in the lower side of the x-axis. So we have Assam 600, West Bengal 600, Jharkhand 400, Delhi 300, Manipur 400. So the total is we have 2 600s and 2 400s, that is 2000 plus 300, 2300 by 5 average. So that is 460 mm. 460 is the answer. Let's now look at the last question in the set. The LPA of a state for a year is defined as the average rainfall in preceding 10 years considering the period of June to August. For example, LPA in 2018 is the average rainfall during 2009 to 2018 and LPA in 2019 is the average rainfall during 2010 to 19. So this is what we have. LPA in 2018 is equal to the sum of the rainfalls from 2009 to 2018 in obviously those months June to August by 10. Similarly for 2019 we have rainfall from 2010 to 2019 addition by 10. So now what they are asking is, it is also observed that the actual rainfall in Gujarat in 2019 is 20% more than the rainfall in 2009. Okay. The LPA of Gujarat in 2019 is closest to what? Now first let's look at Gujarat. For Gujarat we know that the rainfall is 600 mm and the LPA is 25%. Okay. So now we know that LPA is 25%. This means that 2018 LPA into 1.25 is 600, right? That is what this graph means. So we have LPA of 2018 as 600 into 4 by 5 because 125 is 5 by 4. So we have that as 480 mm. So we know LPA of 2018. Now we should find the LPA of 2019. We also know one more data that it is observed that the actual rainfall in Gujarat in 2019 is 20% more than the rainfall in 2009. So 600 is the rainfall in 2019. So that is 20% more than that of 2009. So 1.2 into 2009's rainfall. So 2009's rainfall is 500 mm. So once you get this, if you see the relation between LP of 2018 and 19, so LP of 2019 is equal to LP of 2018. You're removing this 2009 term and adding 2019 term. So minus 2009 rainfall by 10 plus 2019 rainfall by 10. So that will be equal to 480 minus 500 by 10 plus 600 by 10. So that is 490 mm. So your answer is A. So in this way we finish this set, and in upcoming videos we'll be looking at more sets from DILR 2019 slot 2 of CAT paper. Thank you.